Research shows that when a sick person sneezes, cold and flu germs fly. Now that's just sickening. The good news is that most people cover their sneezes to stop germs from getting in the air.
So why then do so many people get sick from cold and flu viruses?
We sent our team of researchers to the field to find out. It didn't take long for them to discover the bad news. How do you sneeze? In our sample, most people use their hands to cover those sneezes, but very few wash their hands after sneezing.
That's just gross.
This means most sneezers contaminate everything they touch with their germ-covered hands. Yuck!
New research shows that the safest way to sneeze is in your sleeve.
This way the germs get trapped in the fabric and then die without spreading.
Now let's see some examples of proper sneezing technique.
Let's see you sneeze. That's more like it. So the next time you feel that tickle in your nose, sneeze in your sleeve.